If you think plant-based means boring rabbit food, think again. It's actually one of the easiest ways to upgrade your health and help the planet. Here's how to start, without drama. Studies show people who eat mostly plants have lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, plus they often feel lighter and more energetic. Environmentally, plant-forward eating slashes your diet's carbon footprint and water use. So, what's the plan? Start with swaps. Replace one meat meal a day with beans, tofu, a hearty grain bowl. Add color, aim for veggies of different colors each dinner. Protein hacks. Lentils, chickpeas, tempeh, nuts cover the bases. And keep snacks simple with hummus fruit. Keep it tasty. Spices, citrus, toasted seeds make plant food sing. Start small, stay consistent, and track how you feel after 2 weeks. Little changes, big wins. Try one swap today.